Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Custom Auto Sound, the originator of classic car OEM fit radios since 1977. F-150 LEDs, stand out, shine brighter. TEQ Customs, your source for everything off-road and overlanding. And by Dragonfire Tools, industrial workbenches with integrated tool storage. Time now for the lowdown with Magic Creeper.
Thanks for cruising along with us here at Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. We've told you about the Magic Creeper and how you can use it at home. It's going to be the most useful tool you have around the house and around the garage. But it is not just for amateurs like you and me, it's also for the pros. Mechanics like Tim Watkins use it every day.
I stretched it out, laid down on it, and rolled under a truck. I was sold. It's better than the traditional creeper. It's a lot smoother, slides in and out easier. Don't have to worry about getting hung up on something or getting the air hose hung on you. Magic Creeper's ideal for working on big trucks and RVs. It made a world of difference. Here at Bristol, sometimes we get a big truck like a C7500 in, and it makes it ideal to get under it when the lifts are tied up. Because the way that truck is configured, you can't put it on a lift, so you have to come in off the ground. And the Magic Creeper is ideal. It's not as hard on your back trying to scoot in under something. You've got something that's padded that you can slide in on and slide out. If you're thinking about buying one, go ahead and get it. You will truly enjoy it.
Tim loves his Magic Creeper, and you can get one too at magiccreeper.com. It's the only place you can get the original, except no substitutes. All right, look what I have here. This stuff's as good as gold. The price of gasoline, as you know, keeps going up and up and up, and fuel efficiency, Pasha, is more important than ever. How can Tribotex help me in the fuel efficiency department?
With one simple application, you can save few percent over 40,000 miles and more. But in some other applications, like when your engine are mostly idle, you can save in tens of the percents. Even 20% we've seen at max at low loaded generations like a genset. You know, when you have a 10 kilowatt generator lighting up few LED lights, most of it is running just overcoming its own friction. You eliminate friction, you eliminate wasteful losses of fuel.
I see police departments, a lot of cars, they're idling a lot, emergency vehicles and that sort of thing.
Or just people sitting in traffic.
Makes a lot of sense on your daily commute. You can save a lot of gas that way. Heat also becomes the enemy of every engine. How does Tribotex dissipate heat?
Yeah, when you tow it, or again, transmission generate heat mostly from friction. Again, less friction, more longevity in transmission, and more energy to tow the cargo.
And you told me an interesting story about the military, why they love Tribotex, because it dissipates the heat. Why is it important to them?
For military, it's important because heat signature in vehicles, that's how enemy would target the car. If you reduce that heat signature, enemy can't see it, they can't shoot you.
Pretty amazing stuff. Tribotex is the real deal. You can check out all the technology at tribotex.com. You get some for yourself as well. Thanks for tuning in to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. You know, we do this every week, and it's more fun when you come along, so we hope you join us next time. In the meantime, if you have something cool you want to see on the show, email Jeff at masterstv.com. We'll get your product here in our studio. From our entire crew here at Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, we'll see you next week.